A page is simply a group of elements that are easy to change and move around. You'll notice sections are surrounded by green rectangles, rows blue, and elements orange. You can find the different building blocks by moving the mouse around and noticing the green outline of a section. If you're having trouble finding it, move your cursor to the top left of the screen. Now try finding a blue one and an orange element. Let's start by changing the headline of the page. Click on the headline, select the text, hit delete, and type a new name. Don't be afraid. Anything that you change is really easy to change back. Notice every element has a settings gear. Click on the gear and it opens a menu with options for the element. There are additional options as well. Let's change some of the settings. First, change the font family. Next, change the font size. Finally, let's change the font color. There's both text color and bold color, and since this is a bolded headline, we'll change the bold color. Click away from the settings slide out to close that menu. Let's save the changes. It's important to save often to ensure you don't lose any of your changes. It's easy to move an element around. Hover over the element and simply move it. Move the image under the headline by clicking it and dragging it. Now we're going to change the image. You can either click it and it'll open the settings menu, or you can use the settings gear and we'll also open it. Change the image by clicking this button. You can upload any of your own photos here, but for now we're just going to use a stock photo. So click on stock. Choose your image. Click the green add image button. And then we can change the image size by selecting image width to be 200. Note that every menu has an advanced tab with more options, like shadowing, the alignment on the page, etc. If at any point you want to undo, you simply do so in the menu bar, and it undoes the last change. Hover around an element and notice a plus button attached to it. See this plus right here? Pressing that will add an element below it. Clicking that plus button adds an element, and there are more than 70 different elements that you can add. We are going to, under media, click video. We're going to try that again. Add a new element. Click video. Now click the video settings gear right here. Select video type and choose YouTube. Now paste the YouTube video URL. You can paste that YouTube URL right here. And it looks like I forgot the M. Now make sure to save again. What you're creating right now is an opt-in page. Your prospects will be able to type in their email address and you'll be able to collect their contact information. Let's finish your funnel. Here's how you exit out of the editor. We've saved.